Welcome to Happy Hands and Hearts. Today, we explore the logic of blockchain. For centuries, humans have relied on a centralized trust. If you want to prove you have money, you ask a bank. If you want to prove you own a house, you ask the government. But what happens if the bank or the government disappears? Blockchain changes the logic from trusting an institution to trusting the network. It is a system where no one is in charge, yet everyone knows the truth. Think of a village square. In the old logic, every villager kept their own private diary of who owed who money. This is easy to cheat, you could just erase a page. In the logic of blockchain, there is only one giant notebook in the middle of the square. Every time money moves, it is shouted out loud, and everyone writes it down in their own copy of that notebook at the same time. If one person tries to change their page, it won't match the thousands of other notebooks in the village. The truth is protected by the majority. But why is it called a blockchain? Imagine that giant notebook has limited space on each page. Once a page is full of transactions, it is sealed with a unique digital stamp, the hash we discussed previously. This page is a block. The logic dictates that the seal of page 2 must include the seal of page 1. This creates a chain. If you try to change a single letter on page 1, the seal breaks. Because they are chained together, the seals on every page after it also break. To cheat, you would have to rewrite the entire history of the world instantly. The final logic is decentralization. Because this notebook exists on thousands of computers globally, there is no off switch. If a hurricane hits a data center in Florida, the ledger is still safe in Tokyo, London, and Mumbai. This is the logic of distributed truth. It makes information immutable, meaning it can never be deleted or altered. This is why blockchain is the foundation of the new age of value, from digital currency to proof of identity. The logic of blockchain proves that we don't need a middleman to be honest, we just need a shared system of math. When the ledger is public, the truth becomes permanent. Logic is universal. Tools are temporary. Anybody can learn AI. Thank you for joining the vault.